Okay, first of all, I thought I would just make dal, but then I was like, that doesn't look very interesting. So I thought I would add some chicken to it. So it's kind of harissa or halim, but it would basically be dal chicken or dal murgi, whatever you call that. Anyway, so first of all, I've taken um, 2 cups. So these are the cups. It is about 3/4, half, 1/4, the full cup. So 2 cups of chana dal, 1 cup of red split lentils, and 1 cup of the moong. So 2, 1, 1, and I have added enough water to get it on top of the dal, and let it sort of be there for about an hour and a half, till the dal gets a bit fat and a bit soft. And once it's there, probably about 2 hours, you can add more water to it if it is low. But anyway, so we leave it for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back and do the rest of it. Okay, so our next step is onions. I've taken 3 onions. They're kind of medium size, or on the smaller sides. I've taken 3. These, I take the brown onions, which are a bit sweeter, but you can use the red onions as well, but brown are a lot better. So we will chop them and cut them small. And this is my trick to cut the onions. I wear my swimming goggles so that I don't get tears in my eyes. They sting like anything. Okay, we'll cut the onions now. Okay, onions are chopped, not very fine, just big enough. And now we will get some garlic. Okay, we'll put some oil into our pan. I've used canola, but you can use whatever oil you want to, vegetable oil or whatever. So just a bit of oil, not a lot, about 100 ml or half a cup of oil, just so that we can get the onions brown. So I have put some oil in it, and the garlic, I have taken the garlic, and you just a few. We will add some garlic paste as well, but the garlic feels nice, so you just give them a little bit chopped a little bit. Okay, I use my cooker, the fry cooker, and the pressure cooker. So I put it on that, put it on brown, and then just start that. Oops. Just have to close it, and it will go. Once the oil heats up, then we add some of our onions and garlic and other condiments to it. In the meantime, we stained our dal and got the excess water away. Okay, now that our oil is heated up, we'll just add these onions to it. So once the onions are in there, just stir them a little bit so that they get brown. So we will cook them till they are brown, and we'll just close this up. Okay, so the chicken, I've chosen the Cole's Lovely Legs. This one's 800 grams and this is almost 800 grams. So altogether they are about a kilo and a half. These are have got bones in it, but no skin, which is good for dal. We will get them out of the packets and clean them, wash them, and then we'll add them to our onions once they are brown. Now the onions are slight brown and soft, so I will add our garlic paste, ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of each. I will add a little bit of chili powder and 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon, these ones, and the bay leaves, 1 or 2 bay leaves, and a bit of salt. Okay. So we will add 1 spoon full of garlic and ginger, and just get them mixed together. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, bit of this, then a couple of cinnamon sticks. I will break them, not too small, but just coarse enough. And a couple of bay leaves. I just do them like this. Keep on mixing them. Okay. Now the masala is nice and strong. We just stir it a little bit so that it doesn't burn. Once it is nice and brown, we just add our chicken to it, all of it, about 1.5 kilos. And let it simmer and get brown for a minute. So just pull them in and just fry them for about 5 minutes so that the chicken is, it gets a little cooked and brown. Okay. And we'll come back to it later. The chicken is now going nice. It's browning. So we wait another 5 minutes for it to be brown. So in the dal that we soaked and then drained the water out, we'll add some chicken stock. This is the standard, it's 1 liter. So we will add that to the dal. So we added the stock to dal, and then we will transfer all of that to our cooking pot of chicken. So we have added the dal and stock to our chicken, and it's almost ready. Now one thing to add is the dal mix. So this Shan masala mix, that makes life very easy. You don't have to add anything at all. If you're just cooking dal, fry the onions, put the dal in, and put one packet of this Sham masala, and that should suffice. But I have added some more stuff to it because I've added chicken, so I'm afraid the masala would not be enough for it. So I'll just add the masala to this. It has got everything in it which you need to cook the dal, to flavor that is very classic. Okay, so we just mix it up a little bit more. Okay, this gives you a smell of the real dal and chicken. Okay, so we have, what we will do is that we will close it down, we will put it on here, and then we put it on pressure cooker, and adjust it to high, and we are having fish and veggies, and we just turn it on. It will take about maybe half an hour for it to cook. You don't have to do anything, just forget about it, go watch your telly or do whatever, and come back when this rings. Okay, so we are all done. We will just unpressurize it, just get the steam out. It will take a couple of minutes, and then we can open it.